Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. And another important thing of this website, if you can create your backlink on this website, your backlink should be going to index in Google, and also you guys will get the do follow backlink from here. So this is a very best website for the article submission. You can definitely consider to publishing your article here. Okay. So the website name is taig.net. So this is a website domain, and before the started we can do some research. So before I can also show you, so this backlink is indexed in Google or not. So I can show you. So you can simply type site, then colon, click hit, and you will see this backlink is indexed in Google. Okay. So before the started, we can do some. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 34, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 37, and the spam score is 0%. Okay, and if you can check this website traffic, so you will see 13.2k monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India, Thailand, Pakistan, Vietnam, USA, and another country. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the forum button. If you are able to see here, you can click on this, and there is no requirement to, you guys will create account or anything. Okay, and you will see there is a start new topic button. You can click on this, and there you can add your company name, and in the subject you can add your article title. So this is the article, and you can paste your article here, and you can also add your brand name. That should be the looks, so who is publishing this article, and this is the content, and you can paste your content in the body section, and after that you can optimize your content. So guys, following the same method, you can optimize your content. Like you can add your title, then you can optimize your content, because there is no any option to, you guys will add a bold, or you can convert your heading into H2, H3 or H4. So you can simply you can add your content here, and you can how you can insert your hyperlink in this content. So you can select, so suppose effective talent acquisition hiring strategy. So there you can add a HTML hyperlink syntax. So let me type the syntax, AHREF, then colon, there you can put your website URL. So let me copy the website URL, and then you can paste here, close this tag, and the effective talent acquisition hiring strategy, and there you can close this tag. So how you can found this syntax on Google SERP? So where you guys will simply type hyperlink HTML, and then you can open the first website HTML link, and this is the code. You can paste the syntax in your content, and the URL section you can replace your website URL, and the link text section you can replace with your targeted keyword, and then you can paste this whole syntax, all syntax in between any content where you can where you have the targeted keyword. Okay, so when you guys will optimize your content, now the time is you can click on the add topic button. Okay, so there is something need to be changed. Okay, so let me remove this content, and let's see, and you will see our article is added. So if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow indexable article submission backlink. Okay. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.